Let's learn how to customize your Gmail inbox using labels. First, open the Chrome browser and go to Gmail. Click the small gear icon at the top right corner, then select See All Settings. Next, go to the Labels tab. Scroll down and click Create New Label. Enter the name of your label. I'll type Zoom, since I want all my Zoom emails grouped together. Now you can see the label has been created and appears under the Labels section. Let's create another label, this time for all my password-related emails. Now I have two labels set up. The next step is to create filters to automatically apply these labels to the right emails. To do that, go to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Then click Create a new filter. Here you'll see different options to filter your incoming or outgoing emails based on subject, keywords, and more. For my first filter, I'll type Zoom in the subject field and create the filter. Then I'll choose the Zoom label from the list. If you'd like to apply this label not only to future emails, but also to existing ones in your inbox, check the box that allows this. Finally, click Create Filter. Now our first filter is ready. I'll do the same for my other label. This time, I'll type password in the Has the Words field. This will filter any email that contains the word password anywhere, not just in the subject. Again, I'll assign the password label and create the filter. Now, two filters are active. You can now select your labels in the sidebar to view all related emails easily. But to make them stand out in your inbox, let's add colors. Click the three dots next to a label, go to Label Color, and pick a color you like. Do the same for your other label. And that's it. Your inbox is now organized, and your important emails are easy to find. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, please consider subscribing.